look at that. What have we got here, Mark?
This is the Team Associated RC8 B4E. We've done a build of this on, well, I've done a build of this on the channel. Not this particular one, because this is boss man Neil's from Sundon's car. He's actually got a couple of them. He's got this one, he's got another one.
Yeah, he does like to buy twice, doesn't he?
Yeah.
He always has a backup car.
Anyway, you know what, we're all so busy buying these ready to runs and that when you actually get what I would consider to be a proper car, you're quite in awe of it. I mean, just the feel of it alone is just completely different. Nice body shell, by the way, Neil. Painted that up as treat.
A little bit Subaru-esque there with the Subaru colours and the old Subaru swooshes. Yeah. But look at that car. I mean, that looks amazing. So nicely machined, so nicely put together. Those little shorty batteries as well, 2 of those. They're not cheap, are they?
No, they're not.
You're probably looking at about £160 just for the batteries that are in this car right now.
Yeah.
Now, if there is one criticism that we do get on the channel when it comes to the buggies, is we have a lot of the ready to run, and they're all saying, why don't you get a proper race buggy on the channel? Well, here it is.
Yeah, I'd have one myself, but they're so expensive that I haven't got the money for it.
Not right now.
So the innards are quite special. I say special. It's kind of if you're going to get a decent car, you want to get a hobby wing set up.
Definitely,
because they're pretty flawless. I've never had an issue with them. And this is the XR8 Pro Speedo 2200 kV motor combo, and that should get it around the track very, very nicely.
Yeah, I think it's really time we got to see this car in action.
All right.
This is the one that Mark has built on the channel. It's now got a lovely paint job on it. Very nice. Just had the pleasure of driving it. Looking forward to seeing these two racing against each other very soon. But what a great car to drive. Thanks again for letting us build the car on the channel and also letting us have a little spin. Mark's going to be very jealous.
Easy access to the motor. Literally unscrew that and the whole motor
comes out.
Other than that, it's a bit of a pain because you've got to take all the body off.
Oh.
There's about 12
so yeah,
screws.
so you've got the battery access, motor access, reinforced front.
Yeah. And just a bit of tape.
A little bit of tape to stop scuffing.
Yeah.
Big old shocks there. They are massive.
And you've got the strap limiters or shock limiters. Just to stop them overextending.
Cool. Now I've seen this on the channel a few times. It is super stable. Loves a little bit of a drift, this car, doesn't it?
It does. Power sliding around the corners. It's got AVC as well.
Fans are running. She's on. Let's see it rip.